In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Then click on App Notifications at the top and select All over here to sort your apps. Just click on one of those options, like Most Frequent. Then by tapping on blue switcher next to any app, you can block notifications, and by tapping on the same now grey one, switch them back on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!